there guys, how are you all doing? We're going to be making homemade yogurt today guys from powdered milk. So guys, without much ado or say, we're going to proceed as follows. So the first thing we're going to do will be to put 1 cup of powdered milk in a bowl. We are using Nido milk. So I'm going to go ahead and add approximately 2 cups of water. So I'm going to add the first cup. Mix everything up until smooth. Add the second cup of water and mix. Make sure everything is smooth. No coagulation, no lumps. We're going to transfer this to a pot and place on the stove. Stir continuously guys. You don't want your milk burning up. Oh, have you ever seen any yogurt in the shop that is burnt up? Haha, just kidding. Alright, stir continuously. Do not leave your milk unattended. Guys, once you notice some bubbling, like here, take this off from the stove. Allow to cool down until lukewarm. Our milk has cooled down enough. If you get to drop this on the back of your hand, you won't feel any burning sensation. So this is the right temperature. So the next thing to do will be to transfer this into a bowl. So after transferring your milk into the bowl, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of store-bought non-sweetened yogurt. So I'm going to use this to mix. One, 2, 3. So I'm going to get some of the liquid milk and mix my store-bought yogurt with. So this is well mixed now and smooth. Pour it back into your main bowl of liquid milk. Stir. Cover this up. Cover it with a cloth and place on your kitchen counter. I'm just going to leave this on my kitchen counter. And well guys, it's really warm here today. The sun is up, so I'm going to leave this on my kitchen counter for approximately 8 to 10 hours. So guys, we're going to go ahead and check our yogurt. I had to double the cloth guys. I had to put a blanket over it. So this is our yogurt. We are unveiling. So this is our yogurt and we're going to open this up. guys. So this is our yogurt. Enjoy, guys. So at this stage you can now add your vanilla, sugar and or honey. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.